Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It definitely helps other members know when I post videos. And for all you new subscribers, welcome. And yeah, so today we're going to be making something I haven't made before. I'm going to be making a sweet and sour chicken. Now, I bought this stir-fried chicken. I'm going to have to put my glasses on so you might see a reflection. It's thin sliced chicken stir-fry. You pay $3.99 for about, it's 5 pounds right there. It's already pre-sliced. What I'll do is I'll just slice it again horizontal into small little chunks. I'll get that going into the frying pan and with a little bit of avocado oil and salt, pepper, everything all to taste. And you always want to season your meat on both sides before you fry it up, and that'll give it the initial flavor. And then we're going to take a half of, let me open this up. Well, it's already open, I'll show you. We're going to use a half of a pepper from a yellow pepper and a half of an orange pepper for the color. And we're going to cut the chunks up pretty big. And what we're going to do before we cut them all up, we're going to soften the pepper up a little bit in the microwave to get it going. And then we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice at the end, fresh lemon. And also we bought this lemon juice squeeze that we tried it yesterday for the first time, and I really liked using it. Saves a lot of time from me squeezing out the juice that way. And traditionally it's done with rice. So today our choice of rice is going to be this bag of rice from Market Basket. It's cauliflower rice, which is fine for keto. And so what we're going to do is with this is we're going to make it in the microwave for about 2 minutes and to get it going. And we'll put it right in the pan after we put everything back. So what we'll do first is we'll fry up the chicken, remove it from the heat, fry up the pepper, put that back in, the chicken back in, and then add the rice on top of that. And then we're going to add some soy sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, everything to taste, and of course the fresh lemon. And that's going to be for our meal for today. Let me know if you ever made this before. Just interesting to see what it's going to taste like besides chicken. And let me know. I don't know. It's a first, but we bought some soy sauce at the local Market Basket, their brand, because it was cheaper. Right now I'm looking to save money on the traditional store-bought brand names, but as long as I don't have a problem with the taste and everything, and I'm fine with it. And I'll have the ingredients and all that. And I got that recipe from Low-Carb Recipes, I believe, with Jennifer Ban, and she gave me an idea how to make this. And if the traditional way with the sweet and sour chicken's got pineapple in it, and because we're doing low carb, pineapple is not a good thing for us to have because it's got a lot of carbs and sugar in it. So what I would suggest, you could take, you could buy some pineapple extract and use that for the pineapple taste. But I'm okay without not having it, and this is all about eating healthy this week. And yesterday I made a nice garden salad with chicken breast, and it came out really, really well. And the dummy me, I filmed it live and I didn't have the voice on, so I took the video off and I'll refilm that again another day. I made it with an avocado and some cherry tomatoes. But I might even wind up putting a couple of cherry tomatoes in with that. That would be kind of cool and different. But anyways, without further ado, I'm going to flip the camera around. We're going to prep the everything together, and from this point on, I'm going to have music, and then I'll come back and we'll do a follow-up. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Remember, you guys are amazing. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome. Returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share and smash that subscribe button? It helps other people know when they post videos. Well, today we made another first. We haven't made this one before, and I don't know how it's going to come out, but we made my first ever sweet and sour chicken. What I did was I took some chicken strips that I had bought, and I cut them up into little cubes. Put a little bit of olive oil, actually avocado oil in the bottom of the frying pan. I cooked the chicken thoroughly, added salt, pepper to taste, onion powder, garlic powder. And when this chicken was cooked, I popped that off the stove. Then I added my chopped pepper, yellow and an orange pepper, a half of one of each. Softened those up in the microwave first. Put those in the bottom of the pan, and then I took a little bit of chicken broth, and then I just deglazed the bottom of the pan. Added the chicken back into it after the peppers were cooked, and then I added a little bit of soy sauce, maybe about a cup, and then I added some little bit of apple cider vinegar, and then I added some xanthan gum in the final product on top to thicken it up. And before that, I added a third of a cup of Lanco swerve that I have for the low carb weight loss. And then as an extra bonus, I took a whole lemon, the small one, and cut it in half. And I juiced it and I put it on top of the pan there just before I popped it off the stove. And this is the final product. Look at that. So I'm not sure how it's going to taste. I never had this before. Oh yeah, and I put cauliflower rice in there for the rice substitute. I bought a bag of the Market Basket brand. And what I ended up doing was I ended up preheating it up in the microwave for 2 minutes to get it a little bit warm. And again, all that stuff was on the peppers when I did them in the microwave for 2 minutes. It was just to get them going a little bit, to tenderize them. And that's a good little trick I had to learn from cooking. So let's give it a taste test to see what it tastes like. I haven't got a clue. But that's the chicken. Really, really good. You know what? It's cauliflower rice. It tastes just like regular rice to me. Yeah. And what better way than to have it with your favorite beverage? In my case, is the Coke Zero. So I have all the amounts of it over the timeline, but it's just from another YouTuber, Jennifer from Low-Carb with Jennifer, Recipes with Jennifer. And I didn't write anything down this time. I did it by memory, and I was just eyeballing what I thought. I did measure out the soy sauce and the swerve and the xanthan gum. I just used this regular spoon and I just eyeballing it. Yeah, the whole idea behind the xanthan gum, it thickened it up really nice. And you don't just dump it on, you spread it out. And if you don't have any xanthan gum, even though it's not keto, yeah, I've always just used flour and I used cornstarch in the past to thicken things up again. If you're only using a small little amount, you should be fine. But really, the whole idea is behind low-carb keto, the ketogenic lifestyle, is to make substitutes so that, because you're looking for a healthier way and alternative to eat. But yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment on the video. Let me know what you think. And if you want me to make anything else, let me know. But I got a lot of good ideas going forward, and I'm just trying to get on track. I'm going to have another video later on this week, what's going on with me, guys. And just take one day at a time. But anyways, love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Remember, I love you. God loves you. Have an amazing day. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.